Hacks for making lunch. Are you thinking of ways to minimize your prep time for doing lunch? Well, guess what? You've come to the right place. Because today, we are gonna talk about the things that you're looking for. The 5 kitchen hacks to make lunch easier and faster. Hey guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. For today's video, we will talk about some kitchen hacks for making lunch. Lunch is one of the most important meals of the day. However, many tend to just order food for lunch. They say that making lunch is too time-consuming, or that meals that are ordered at the local food shop are better than homemade. But that's not true. The right tricks will help you save major preparation time, make meals delicious and healthy, and make meals interesting. To help you with that, here are 5 kitchen hacks that can help you make delicious lunch in no time. Pack a doggy bag. When we think of a well-packed lunch, the first thing that comes to mind is sandwiches. But changing this narrow definition and mentality will open up more possibilities when it comes to packing homemade lunch and meals, says Alan Christensen, a naturopathic medical doctor. He says that it will be a good idea to cook dinner at a larger amount to save some for the following day's lunch. He also says that package lunch before sitting down at dinner. If you have more than what you need and put it out all on the table, you will end up eating more than what you've planned, which will prevent lunch from happening and cause needless weight gain. Consider using Greek yogurt. If you are finding foods that are healthy, delicious, and versatile all at the same time, then you should try using Greek yogurt. Keep it in your fridge as it can always give you a high-protein meal on the go. It is also very versatile as you can make a lot of meal variations with it. It can be used on sweet applications, or you can treat it like cheese. It's up to you to explore. Cook protein in bulk and switch up your side dishes. We all know that cooking meals in bulk will save you a great amount of time. You can cook your main dishes like chicken ahead, and then it is up to you to mix it up when it comes to your sides. You can cook vegetables, fruits, or pasta depending on your preference. Some people don't enjoy eating the same dish every day, which is why you should always try to make new side dishes. You can also do this with other sources of protein like shrimp, beans, and tofu. Use a variety of sauces to make dishes interesting. Another thing to minimize the boredom when you decided to cook things in bulk is to step up your sauce game. Sauces are a great way to mix things up, adding that nice and flavorful taste. Many people do this in a salad, but you can always try to innovate on other dishes. Don't be afraid and try on what will taste appealing to your taste buds. Fill up your fridge with ready-to-mix ingredients. If you're in a hurry and want to make lunch quick and easy, this lunch hack will save you a great amount of time. Not only is it easier to make, but pre-cooked staples are also healthier than processed foods. You can store cheese, potatoes, carrots, and any other ingredients that you like. Making lunch has never been easier with this hack. Just put out all your chosen staples together. Add some seasoning and sauce, and there you have it, a nice lunch with a savory taste. And these are the 5 lunch hacks that you can follow to ease up your prep time for lunch. Have any more ideas? Comment them down below. That's all for our video. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Click the notification bell to keep you notified for more videos like this. We hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching and see you on my next one.